In this video, I'm going to show you how to create event reminder on your Instagram story. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Instagram and then tap right here at plus sign, and from here select story. Now here you can take a photo or record a video or hit on that icon to upload some from your phone's gallery. I'll select that picture, and here now I can tap add stickers icon, and there all I have to do is search for countdown sticker. I can scroll down through the stickers. Here I see countdown, or I can use search to search for it. Just start typing in countdown. Then you can select a sticker. After that you have to name your event, so like let it be giveaway, and then just tap here where it says set end date and time to select the exact date and time. Here you can toggle off all date to select a specific time, and then here also you can tap at that colors icon at the top to change the color of that sticker. Then once you're done with that, just tap on done, and now you can move that sticker around and position it in any place that you want. Also you can resize this sticker or rotate it. And now you can continue editing your story as you normally do, and once you have finished with that, just tap on next button, and then you can tap on share to share your story with your followers. That's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.